Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a gradient layered infographic block using layer styles in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and set a wide canvas for information layout. First I draw multiple rounded rectangles using the custom shape tool. Then I apply different gradients to each block for visual distinction. After that I duplicate blocks and add shadows for layered depth. Now I add circular accent shapes with radial gradients. Next I apply subtle bevel effects to important data areas. Then I refine edges and spacing carefully. After this I balance colors so nothing feels crowded. Finally I zoom out and polish the infographic block until it feels clear and engaging.